doing a siren test?
Yep.
And you're with who?
I'm just by myself.
You're just a private citizen?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this is private property, so unless you have a reason to be here, I need you to leave.
Okay, I'm sorry about that.
No, no problem.
Okay. Is there anywhere I could park around, or I'm not allowed to be on the this part of the campus at all?
This whole property here belongs to Emory.
Uh-huh.
It's private property. There's a lot of people that come here and try to get into the buildings.
Okay.
And so we ask people if they have no business being here, then they need to leave.
Okay.
You're
so
recording the siren test?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should be
It should
10
be.
minutes.
It's at noon. That's the reason why I'm here as well.
Okay. Oh, okay. That's cool.
Yeah, if you wanna, I don't know, maybe in the general area there's a side street that you could probably hear from.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.